Hey, Bob, we need you to come to work this weekend. We have an emergency load going to Atlanta.
Hey, I'm sorry, Johnny, I can't make it. I'm going to the Mid-America Trucking Show right now.
What? Are you kidding me? You're gonna choose a trucking show over going on an emergency load? Come on.
Hey, it's not any trucking show, Johnny. This is the Coachella of trucking.
Coachella? Really?
Johnny, this is by far the biggest event in our industry.
But we have an emergency load and you're the only one qualified. Come on, man, you can do it.
Not my problem, Johnny. I told you I can't do it. I'm not taking it.
Really? You're gonna choose a truck show over making extra money?
Yes, I'm not missing this event. And it's not all about money, Johnny.
Honestly, I just feel like it's a huge waste of time.
You know what, Johnny? You're the one wasting my time right now, so I gotta go.
Fine, you know what? Just promise me you're not gonna come with a stupid tattoo or a mullet.
No promises, but I'll try my best.
72 hours